Okay, it's Sunday, December 26th. This is the big blizzard of 2010, and I'm by my front screen door, and I can't even get out because there's all this snow. I'm gonna try to open the door. Look at this. It's like, oh my goodness. Look, just look how deep this is. Oh my god. Look, I can't even close my door. Oh, it's so windy. There's my feet. Where are the steps? You can't even see the steps. Whoa! Oh my god. This is like up to my knees almost. This is nuts. I can't even capture like the depth on this. It's so windy. Let's walk to the back. Oh my god. Right? There's got to be like a foot of snow right now. That it's going in my boots. Look. I wish there was more light back here. This is crazy. Where's my car? Look, there's my car. It's the second one right here. It's completely covered. Right now, the snow is up to my knees. Look at this. My car! Okay, there's the snow. Wow. I'm not going to want to clean my car off. Look at that. We... My car has like a foot of snow. Oh, I'm going in. footmarks. And the bushes. Oh my God, look at this. All the snow. I can't even see the steps. Ah. Bye.